Good day everyone, welcome to Tech Talk Media. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install Visual Studio Code on your PC. So I'm going to be using Edge browser. You can use or any other browser you know. So I will just go to the web and search VS Code. So either you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can follow this process and make sure you watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any steps. So let me first go to the site. So either you are using Windows or you are running on Mac operating system or either Linux, you can also download Visual Studio Code. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. So I will click download button now. So our download is showing here. So our file, this is our file. Let's wait and let it download finished. So our file is almost downloaded. So let's open the file. You can decide to go to your file manager to locate it under download, or you click if download like this. So this is the instructions, the license agreements. You can decide to read it on your own. So I will just accept the agreement, continue. So this is the location that the VS Code will store on your PC. You can decide to change it. And this is the name that is will display. Next. So I will create a desktop icon. So I will quickly locate the file on my desktop. Install. So setup is preparing to install. So our file is installing. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more video like this. Okay, our Visual Studio Code has installed. I can decide to launch it. I don't launch it. I want to launch it on desktop. Finished. So this is the Visual Studio Code. So I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.